Adam Duvall up, and he goes, boom! Looks like he's just hit a 3-run homer. Braves are already up 1-0. And it looks like he's just hit a 3-run homer, but has he? Because no one knows what's going on. He stops. McCarthy gets up. He doesn't have the ball. Adam Duvall's like, it's over. It's over. What's going on? The umpire's like, I hate my job. Chris Elliott doesn't know what's going on. Thinks I should be acting or something. Not giving up home runs. Austin Riley goes, yeah, screw it. I'm just going to run around because the umpire is signaling home run. Look, he's twirling his finger around. Home run, home run, home run. So it's a 3-run homer, right? That's what we think. At this point, we think it's a 3-run homer. But there's still some confusion about what had happened. Manager comes out. What's going on? The umpire, I don't know what's going on. It's a 162-game season. It's a long season. But here it is again. Here's the play. McCarthy goes up, hits off his glove, and goes over the wall, which would make it a 3-run homer. Here's a better view of it. Almost a great catch. But it goes off his glove, rolls over the wall, home run. But wait a minute. It's not a home run. Because with all the confusion, as you can see here, Adam Duvall stops. Austin Riley comes back to tag up. Then he sees that they've signaled for a home run. But at this point, Duvall's already passed Riley, which makes Duvall out. So it makes it a long single because you can't pass the runner. Not really his fault, just mass confusion. Braves went on to win the game 9-2, stay up 3 games over the Phillies. But just a crazy play, something different at the ballpark every night. That's all we got. Thanks for watching. Share this video. I'm out.